Ed Galloway's Totem Pole Park. Okay.
Yeah, there's gasoline in there.
Yay. So you can't climb to the top?
No.
The world's largest totem pole. 90 feet tall, 18 inches in diameter, 54-foot base.
What?
Made from 100 tons of sand and rock, 28 tons of cement, 6 tons of steel.
Look, gasoline. This is really the biggest totem pole.
That's what it says.
I would expect South America to have, like, what makes kind of like news something.
I'm gonna get his toenail.
Oh. Are you picking his toenails?
Yeah, I want to eat them. I'm climbing. Yeah. We're gonna climb up the rock. You're not a professional. Climb a rock wall that is 25 feet tall. This is not normal.
I love how it's all sitting on a turtle's back.
Hi, turtle. Now I'm sitting on a turtle.
The target symbol. Are they trying to get Target to sponsor this? Target.
Look, Jack, he's got a cigarette in his mouth.
What?
Big giant cigarette.
He has a cigarette in his mouth. Why?
Look at that. It's like a mountain lion carved out of a rock. Yeah.
That's it.
No pets inside. I guess you guys can't go in.
We're not pets. I'm not your pet.
Whoa.
And these are used to show off different kinds of wood. People would go places, travel all over the world, and then send you wood back. And so he's got quite a bit of it. And that thing has got 1,933 pieces in it. There's a disappearing monument where this thing, the castle sits on the
It's a
edge
bunch
of
of
the lake.
fiddles.
So all of that down below is reflected.
Violins.
That's just calculating. before I came to work here, I was watching a movie and it's about this little old lady sitting in a nursing home working a jigsaw puzzle. And she was fiddling with something underneath the table. She had a pair of scissors and she was cutting pieces to fit wherever she wanted them to go. So every time I look at that, I think of, you cut all those pieces where you want them to go.
Man, there's paintings everywhere. There's an old sewing machine.
Let's go here.
It says
Right there in front of
don't
you,
go
that
behind
third one
it.
on the bottom row, from the corner, over that way. Yeah,
Look.
the third one from the other side.
Ed Galloway's
That's
lawnmower
leprechaun
built
right
in
here.
1945. Can you imagine? Look at the blade down there.
That looks like a good way to lose.
Yeah. Looks like a hard way to mow the lawn, but
And see, it was made in 1945. We didn't get electric, most of us didn't get electric around here until 46. So, and it's got a Ringer washing machine motor on the back of it. So I'm thinking, what, you know, they didn't have extension cord to run out to do the lawn. So somebody told me they probably used that regular house wiring, electrical cord, to run it out there and run it straight. I think, wow.
Wait, porta potty over there.
good for you. Man, there's sculptures everywhere. It's an old school drill.
You are now the rabbit and the spear dude.
It's a playhouse built by Ed Galloway in 1956 for his grandson Gary.
Wasp nest. Wasp nest. Wasp nest.
And there's wasps in it too.
Yay.
That's not a very fun playhouse, is it?
Yeah, because it has a wasp nest. Yes. I know. That's what counts them in super. Okay, is mega is okay fine. Is X up there and turn around.
What is that?
A rabbit's foot.
Cool, so you're gonna be lucky now?
Look, his toenail.
What? It's got toenails?
More. More.